Hey guys, we're in the kitchen because we're gonna make some weird concoction and we're gonna drink it.
Yep.
So that's what our
Go
video is gonna be.
to the fridge.
Here, this video take me grabbing things now, I guess, because can you I'm not sideways, right?
No.
Okay. So let's see. So we're gonna grab the hot sauce, because why not?
And
Cat food.
see
And
what
the
kind of. Hold on. Let's see what kind of hot sauce it is.
hashtag not sponsored.
Purple hippo.
And then we're gonna grab the lemon juice. Guys, we got lemon juice.
We got lemon juice.
Yeah.
We got
Kudos to my mom.
Texas Pete.
Whoa!
You okay there?
What else should we add? Why do you have sprinkles and frosting?
We frosted cookies. Leave us alone. Ketchup, honey mustard.
Ooh! Honey mustard. We're not doing ketchup because ketchup makes me want to throw up.
Okay.
But honey mustard's good.
Honey
I should
mustard.
have come over here and stole it. And, we're
No.
gonna need milk just in case it's gross and
Yep.
spicy. So we're gonna
Yep.
not pour that in there, but we're gonna save that.
Yep. Oh, we'll need a spoon to stir it all in.
Oh, nice sink, Kira. Should we put apple juice in it?
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
Because that's
We'll add a tiny bit of apple juice.
as long as she doesn't know. It's all good. What else do I have in there?
Is this maple syrup?
Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's this? Is this yours?
Yeah.
No, that's not opened. We're not using that. We only use open things here.
I think no. I don't know if that's opened. Yes. Should we?
Yeah. Hey, cat.
Why are you blurry, camera? Okay.
Focus
Sorry,
on me.
cat.
Focus on me.
Okay, go.
I think. Ooh, mustard. I like mustard. I eat it plain sometimes.
Okay, so we have honey mustard and mustard.
So I think this is our setup. Well, let's
Yeah.
set it up and make it look.
Let me get the cups.
Yeah, grab some for me. No, we won't pour that till after though.
But we also need cups for.
Ooh, should we pour this into? No, that's our prop
No.
up.
No.
Okay, so this. Show them our setup. Oh wait.
All right.
So let's set the camera up. Make sure it's looking at the counter. Okay. Oh, is this the cup to stir it in?
I'm gonna get two.
So this is the one we're gonna stir.
And then
No,
we're
let's just make it in one and then pour it into two separate cups. So let's just make it in this one and then we can pour it into there.
Okay.
Can you get the cat off the counter?
So
So we're gonna take some lemon juice and just pour it
I know
in.
I said you're allowed on.
Should we just put all of it in? Yes.
Yeah, sure, why not? Okay.
So
Next is going to.
let's do all the liquids first.
The liquids first.
Okay, so
Okay.
we'll just take turns. You pick. You can do hot sauces, maple syrup. We should do this actually, so she doesn't come out and see it. So next is apple juice.
Apple juice.
Delicious. Totally. That's
Okay.
good. Cap.
Press that.
Okay, my turn to pick. Let's move this back. Let's go with some hot sauce.
So the hot sauce, what does it have in
We're
it?
doing the hippo one.
I want to see what's in it.
Our purple hippo has one of the most unique flavors there is. Prickly pear fruit.
The heck is prickly pear fruit?
Has a watermelon bubblegum flavor and pairs very well with spicy peppers. We've combined the prickly pear fruit with habanero scorpion peppers and rounded it off with strawberries to create one-kind sauce.
Oh,
Try purple hippo on poultry pork ice cream or in a frozen daiquiri, whatever that means. So we're gonna pour them onto the spoon.
Alright, I got glasses for milk.
So there's that.
Alright, my turn.
So hot sauce.
I'm gonna do the hot sauce. Texas.
Oh, that smells like spicy. Like.
Oh my god. Yo. Okay, so this, it says to Lily.
I like the spoon.
Oh my god, Lily, don't lick the spoon.
Well, now we need a new one.
Don't lick this one.
I won't. I was just trying to be a daredevil gangster, you know?
No.
A daredevil gangster.
Okay, so
We might have to find some more weird things in the fridge after.
maybe it says vinegar aged pepper. My eyes are already watering. Wait.
Oh no, we should have brought oranges from my house and squeezed them in. Just do a full spoon.
This is gonna be super hot.
This is the spiciest hot sauce we have, I think. Oh, kudos to my dad. We stole it from him. Don't stir it yet.
We need to stir it a little.
Okay, next I'm picking maple syrup. We might have to add the ketchup in.
Maybe.
Okay, hold it. We're gonna add just one because it's gonna like take out all the hot flavor. Okay, so you have this set up right because you wanted to put a little tiny bit of the soda in.
Yeah.
So
Alright. I'll do the caramel next.
ew, we're picking some gross things. I hate caramel stuff. Well, syrup. It's just a big no-no.
Well,
I like chocolate syrup for chocolate milk, but not on ice cream and stuff. Okay, that's enough. Ew!
wait, let me smell it.
That like makes my mouth burn.
Oh my god. It makes my nose burn. You kidding me?
It like sends something down my throat. I'm gonna do the soda.
Okay, just a little.
Yeah, just a tiny bit. So hold it, the spoon out.
Okay.
This is gonna be really gross. And then after we should add a little bit of water. So you have
yeah.
these two things.
Alright,
And then
I'll
we might have to find
do
some.
the honey mustard.
Okay.
This honey mustard is my favorite.
I like it on chicken.
I like it on cheese sandwiches.
Add more. It needs to be gross, Kira. Okay, so
Oh my god, that looks so gross.
my mom's gonna want us to send this to her. Oh my god!
What just happened?
I don't know. I opened the mustard and it just squirted out. It's like hello.
Hold on, let me get my phone.
Mmm, yummy. Okay, we should get the ketchup out.
Oh, I thought you didn't want to do ketchup.
I know, I hate ketchup, but it's the you have barbecue sauce.
Oh my god.
She has barbecue sauce. Wait a minute.
I'm done.
Ow.
Oh my god, what are we doing to ourselves?
I don't know. Oh, wait, what's this? Brown? Oh, that's more barbecue sauce.
I don't know if I
Pickle
want to do.
juice!
I don't know how old that is though.
There's more pickles! Let's see. We just gotta be safe, you know? Do not purchase in safety button up. Wait, pickles don't go very bad though.
They don't?
It's literally just vinegar and water with juice, so it'll be
okay.
fine.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
Oh my god, ew. Ew.
Ew.
Put the camera over it. Put the
my
camera.
God. Oh. What are we doing here? You guys.
I'm gagged. My eyes!
Oh my god, okay. Alright.
We're gonna get like demonetized. Did you see it?
I don't can.
Ew! Oh my god, yes, they saw it! They saw it! They saw it! They saw
Okay.
it! Kira, they saw it!
Alright, alright. Okay, Lily. Okay, Lily. Come on, we gotta
Merry
do this.
Christmas. Okay.
Oh my god, I don't know if I want to do this now.
Oh.
Like, I literally.
Where'd the spoon go? Oh. Kira, you're gonna have to pour the rest of this stuff in.
Okay.
Okay, we're not doing ketchup. We can do barbecue sauce. Ketchup is my enemy, so I'll just put. Yeah. Oh my god. How are we gonna drink this?
I don't know.
My mom.
I don't know.
Mom, this was a bad idea.
Wait,
Here, should I FaceTime her?
why did we put in honey mustard and mustard?
Because they both. Okay, I'm gonna FaceTime my mom.
Lily.
We're gonna FaceTime my mom while doing this. We're not gonna show her on camera because she doesn't want to do that.
No. Okay, I'm doing the hot sauce now.
Mom.
Or no, barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Not hot sauce, barbecue sauce.
Oh wait. We want to do FaceTime, not.
I think I put a little too much. Oh. Oh my god, what are we doing to ourselves?
I need her to answer.
Yeah, will she answer, please?
I'll just keep calling her. I'll make her answer.
Alright, what else do we need in here?
Mom, what did you get us into? So we're videotaping our YouTube video, and I'm just like, this is gonna be needed to be seen by the mom. Okay, ready?
Oh boy, okay.
It's honey mustard syrup.
I'm like gagging, and I'm like, Kira, you have to finish this for me. Like, we still have pickle juice to put in.
Oh my god. Don't make yourself throw up.
Well,
Yeah.
that's kind of late. We put like, okay, so we have honey mustard, pickle juice, soda, maple syrup, hot sauce, barbecue sauce, and caramel syrup,
Don't forget the
and lemon juice.
Why is it hard?
You told us to do it. And I licked the hot sauce spoon. It was really hot. It was, yeah. No, we're going to, Dad.
Okay, bye.
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 We'll call you when we drink it.
Lily, I'm going to the grocery store.
Okay. Then we'll videotape it for you. Bye.
Oh my god, my stomach.
Just
right
had
now
to
is-
call my mom, you know.
My stomach right now is like.
Okay, pickle juice. We might just get a new spoon for this. Okay, we're not doing this. I can't open it. So, here, let's put the stuff back in the fridge.
Oh god, guys, what did we get ourselves into?
So let's add some water. Okay.
I really think we shouldn't have gotten that mustard.
Okay, pour the milk. We literally only have to drink like a little tiny sip, okay?
Okay. Oh my god. Wait, let me pour the milk.
So, guys, the This is our aftermath. Can you like see it? I don't want it to come out.
Oh my god, I want to puke.
Here, we'll show you it. Move this side. So, this is that. That's our aftermath.
Oh my god, my
And-
stomach, guys.
So we're gonna
My stomach.
pop you up so you can see us.
Oh, why did we put the mustard in there?
Because we're stupid.
We shouldn't
Okay,
have
did you
put
pour the milk?
Yes.
Which one's mine? This one?
Anyone. My stomach right now.
Okay, come on, Kira.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you don't need the spoon.
No, I don't.
Okay, ready? Bend down so they can see you.
1,
2, 3. Oh, delicious! Delicious! Did you drink any?
No, did you?
I was just waiting for you to drink some. Here, back up.
Okay, okay.
1, 2,
3.
3. Did you drink it? I didn't drink any. Gag reflex. We're so dumb.
That's so hot! I actually swallowed it, Lily.
Yeah, I couldn't. I have like this really big
I
gag
did too.
reflex.
I did too, and yeah, I still did it.
So that's what we just drank.
Oh my god.
It's like, it literally just tastes like hot sauce and mustard. It's like really gross. So, don't do this.
I wouldn't recommend putting mustard in. That's what made it gross.
I mean, I would have been fine with it if it wasn't like chunky and weird.
Yeah.
It would have been so much better. So that's us being stupid. I hope you enjoyed. I'm just letting it water out because I don't want to.
My mouth is still burning.
Really?
Yeah.
Hot sauce isn't extremely hot to me, but
My mouth is literally still burning. My tongue is just like, what did you do?
that was
to
the most
me?
disgusting thing I've probably
It
ever had.
was. It was.
Like literally, who does the dishes? Okay. Her sister has to do the dishes. We're mean.
Oh well. I mean,
But we don't want to do them, so
after
let's just
this.
put a little bit of soap.
Oh,
Ew, the water's like murky green.
ew.
Oh, I can smell it.
You can.
You can literally smell the hot sauce.
Oh my god.
This was not a fun experiment.
It wasn't, but it was.
It was fun, but not fun.
Yeah. Only if we didn't put the mustard in, it would have been fun.
I mean, mustard makes everything better.
No, it doesn't.
It's so
It was
good.
chunky.
I
in
love
there.
mustard, but it was really gross in that.
You couldn't even taste the soda. Like all you could taste was the hot sauce. The hot sauce, like,
Overpowered. We put way
Yeah.
too much. We put like 4 spoonfuls of hot sauce.
no, not 4. Lily! You don't do that!
You put one. You put
Yeah.
like half of one in.
Yeah.
And I'm just pouring 3 spoonfuls of hot sauce.
You don't do that. That's why it was flipping hot. Put 3 things. No, Lily. No.
This is so
No. No.
Ew. I'm glad I did not touch that. Okay, so that was our video. Don't recommend it. Disgusting, not fun. Well, it was fun.
Actually, I kind of do recommend it.
Yeah, no.
I do.
Yeah,
I
it
wanna
would
see
be
other
fun.
people do
Yeah,
it.
it could be fun. We should. Do you have a blender?
No.
I should ask my mom if we could use our blender because at my friend's house once we blended things together
Oh my god.
and we can make a video like that.
Oh my god. That might be our next video
Like-
if my snack crate doesn't come.
It will come.
I'm hoping it does because I paid money for
I'm
that.
gonna ask for some for Christmas. Not like the website thing, but like from Amazon. Anywho, we're talking.
Yeah.
So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, do stuff. Bye.
Comment.
Comment. Don't be haters because haters are our motivators. But yeah, block them haters out. Look, block them haters out. Ready?
Oh my god.
Block them haters out. Block them.
Yeah.
Bye.